Hi, my name is Jacqueline. I go to Palo Alto High School and I'm a rising junior. For my intensive project, I chose to do the robotic arm. This arm has 4 joints, each controlled by one 180-degree servo motor. And these joints are that it can turn, extend outwards, extend upwards, and also has a small claw at the end to grab items. My first milestone was to finish assembling the arm and get the joystick controls to work with it. So for me, assembling the arm went pretty smoothly and I didn't have too many problems with it. So after assembling, I began starting the programming for it and uploading the code to the Arduino. The programming for the joystick allows each X and Y axis of the joystick to control a different servo motor. And the joysticks have a range of from like 0 to 1024, depending on if you push it left, right, up, or down. And the way the code works is that once the value of the joystick exceeds a certain value or is below a certain value, it will activate the motor to move in a certain direction. And yeah, that's basically how this arm works. The part I struggled the most with was the servo motors, because when I started, I didn't realize that the motors had a range of only 180 degrees instead of being 360 or continuous. And so I wasn't sure why sometimes the arm wouldn't extend all the way to the range that I wanted it to. I assumed that there was a programming issue at first because I didn't have too much experience with that before, and I spent some time testing each motor individually, and yeah, I found that they all worked the way they were supposed to, and after some more researching, I basically found out that yeah, they only have a range of 180 degrees. And to fix that, all I had to do was attach the motor to the joint at the angle to like allow it to have the greatest range of motion. So to do that, I set each motor to its 0-degree position using a short program, and then reattached all the motors again, and that fixed the problem, and now each motor can allow the arm to extend to its full range. And so after this, my next steps is going to be getting Bluetooth connection to work with the arm, so downloading an app, getting the Bluetooth module installed, and seeing if that program works and allows me to control it. And I'm also brainstorming some modifications to add to the arm. And yeah.